Now, you also told me that you did want me to share the simple path to 12 or to 100K in 12 months. So I'm going to go through this very quickly. This is just one model. This is how I normally do this. So you don't have to follow this exactly, but I want to show you how simple this actually is. And this is with group cohort. So in Q1, what happens is we can, and I'm doing this as a $500 price, which is like, it's really, really low. I believe that every one of you can start off at $1,000, especially with dream clients that we're talking about. But just to prove it, I'm going to show you with $500. So let's say that you only had 10 clients in Q1 at $500. That gives you $5,000. Then what happens is I encourage you to increase the price just a little bit for Q2, because now you have people that you've worked with, you have some kind of testimonials, these kind of things where now you have a little bit more clout behind you, and you now have 20 clients in the second quarter, and you increase that to $750, and now you have $15,000 in that one quarter. And remember, if you're doing this the right way, all you're doing is focusing on how do I serve, how do I not sell, and how do I put myself out there into the world so that dream clients who are watching me from the sidelines reach out and say, I love what you're doing. Can I talk to you about helping me? Q3, there's 30 people that come in, and that's at $1,000. We've increased the price again by $250. And now you got $30,000. And then finally in Q4, you have 40 people and at $1,250, and now you got 50,000, and that makes your $100,000. And look at the number of people that you needed only for the entire year. Now, I've seen people who say you need thousands and thousands of people going through funnels to build a business, and you get a 1% to 2% conversion. If you do this the right way, I promise you, and I'm going to sound like a marketer here for a second, but if you do this the right way, you will get 60 to 80% conversion on the conversations that you have that move them into the product that you're doing. If you focus on everything that I'm talking about here,